How to install and set up Google Wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen or in the apps screen, open up Play Store. So here I've got Play Store on my home screen, so open that. Then tap on the search button at the bottom. Next, go to the top and tap on the search text field. In here, type in wallet and then tap on the search button. In here, you'll be able to find Google Wallet. So tap on Google Wallet and tap on the install button. Now wait for the installation to complete. And now it is installing. It shouldn't take too long now. After that, tap on the open button and then tap on allow. Here you say explore wallet or add to wallet. So tap on add to wallet. And here you can add a payment card, transit pass, loyalty card, gift card, photos. So create a digital pass from photo of a barcode or QR code. So if you have a payment card, you can tap on that, and here you can add in your bank card. So you can use the camera to scan your bank card, or you can enter the details manually. In here, enter your card number, the expiry date, the security code, and the name of the card. And then tap on more, and then tap on save and continue to fill in the information. Okay, so that is how you can add in the payment card. For loyalty card, you can tap on loyalty cards and then choose a loyalty card that you want to use. So for example, here is one. Tap on enter manually and then put in member ID and then tap on add to wallet. So here I've got my first loyalty card added, and here they say how to add a shortcut. So access wallet faster, add a shortcut to your device to quickly pay and use your passes. So tap on how to add a shortcut in here, and then it tells you how you can add in a shortcut at the bottom here. And then tap on next, then tap on next, tap on done. All right, so we have now set up your Google Wallet. If you want to assign to the side button to quickly open up Wallet, Google Wallet, you can do so as well. Now to do that, you can swipe down at the top, then tap on settings. Then we go down and tap on advanced features. Next tap on side button, then tap on double press, make sure this is turned on, and then tap on the left hand side panel. In here, scroll down and tap on apps, tap on the settings icon, and then tap on the search button and put in wallet. In here, you want to choose Google Wallet instead of Samsung Wallet, so select Google Wallet. And here, let's say if I choose Google Wallet in here, so wallet, and then tap on the Google Wallet icon. So it is now set to apps, and then tap on the back key. So if you want to quickly launch your Google Wallet, you can now double press on the side button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.